Audi has been watching BMW and Mercedes rule the ultra-luxury full-size SUV segment for years, silently taking notes while the X7 and the GLS racked up massive profits. But the quiet period is officially over. This is the all-new 2027 Audi Q9, a massive, uncompromised titan designed to completely reset the hierarchy of German luxury. Audi didn't just build a larger SUV, they engineered a rolling fortress packed with technology that makes their current flagship, the Q8, look like an entry-level crossover. This is the vehicle the brand desperately needed to conquer the lucrative North American and Chinese markets, where bigger always means better. But behind the sharp lines, massive single-frame grille, and blinding digital matrix headlights lies a massive, controversial gamble. Audi has integrated a brand new mechanical architecture that completely rewrites how a vehicle this heavy handles. But it comes with a hidden flaw so severe that it could ruin the entire ownership experience. We are going to expose exactly what that flaw is and why it is already terrifying early depositors later in this video. When you see the Q9 in person, the sheer scale of it hits you instantly. It stretches over 5.2 meters long, commanding an undeniable presence on the tarmac. Audi designers intentionally gave it an upright, muscular silhouette, moving away from the sloping, coupe-like roofs we have seen lately. They wanted pure, unapologetic utility mixed with high-end status. The front fascia features an evolution of Audi's octagonal grille, flanked by ultra-slim, customizable daytime running lights. Owners can actually change the light signatures via the infotainment screen to match their mood. Walk around the side, and you will notice a perfectly straight shoulder line that emphasizes the massive wheelbase, sitting proudly on optional 23-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels. It looks imposing, but it also boasts a drag coefficient that defies its boxy shape, ensuring that high-speed highway cruising remains whisper quiet. Step inside, and the cabin is where the Q9 truly separates itself from anything else on the road today. Audi calls this interior the digital stage, and it is a breathtaking masterclass in minimalism and materials. The entire dashboard is essentially a seamless sheet of glass housing 3 massive screens, including an entirely separate passenger display that utilizes privacy tech so the driver cannot see it while moving. You get sustainable eucalyptus wood trim, open-pore surfaces, and multi-contour massage seats wrapped in non-animal leather alternatives that feel even softer than the real thing. If you are loving this deep dive into the absolute peak of modern automotive luxury, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video, because we have some massive secret track tests of the Q9's rival coming up next week that you absolutely cannot miss. Underneath that gorgeous skin, Audi offers a range of highly electrified powertrains. The baseline models feature a robust 3-liter twin-turbo V6, paired with an advanced 48-volt mild hybrid setup, pumping out a healthy 375 horsepower. But the real star of the lineup is the plug-in hybrid variant. It pairs that same V6 with a massive 32 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering a combined 550 horsepower and allowing for over 60 miles of pure electric driving on a single charge. This means you can easily tackle your daily commute without burning a single drop of fuel, all while enjoying the absolute pinnacle of acoustic isolation. The standard Quattro all-wheel drive system has been completely retuned for this platform, sending power exactly where it needs to go in milliseconds, making this 3-ton beast feel surprisingly agile in tight corners. That brings us directly back to the hidden flaw we teased earlier, the one thing that could completely derail the success of Audi's new flagship. To make a vehicle of this immense size handle like a traditional, nimble Audi, the engineers had to implement a highly complex, active electronic anti-roll suspension system paired with rear-wheel steering that rotates up to 5 degrees. While this setup completely defies physics on a test track, inside sources from the engineering team have revealed that the system is experiencing catastrophic software calibration errors during long-term durability testing. The computers are struggled to balance the heavy battery weight of the plug-in hybrid with the active suspension components under sudden braking, causing a severe, unpredictable floating sensation that induces immediate motion sickness for second and third row passengers. Audi is scrambling to fix this code before deliveries begin, But if they cannot stabilize the digital chassis, this ultra-luxury fortress might just become an incredibly expensive, undrivable headache.